Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Firebase Hosting for UI-ready SPA deployment, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your Firebase account. Go to the Firebase website and click on Get Started. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project and follow the prompts to name your project. Once the project is created, navigate to the Firebase console. In the left sidebar, locate and select Hosting. Click on Get Started to initialize Firebase Hosting. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command npm install g Firebase tools to install Firebase CLI globally. Once installed, log into your Firebase account by executing Firebase login. Navigate to your project directory using the terminal. Run Firebase init to initiate Firebase in your project. Select Hosting from the list of options presented. If prompted, choose the existing Firebase project you just created. Specify the public directory for your SPA, typically dist or build. Configure your app as a single-page application by typing Y when asked. Choose whether to overwrite the existing index.html file, generally, select N if you want to keep it. Now, build your application if it hasn't been built yet. For example, run npm run build or the corresponding command if using a different framework. Once built, it's time to deploy. In the terminal, run Firebase deploy to upload your files to Firebase Hosting. After the deployment process completes, the terminal will display your site's URL. Visit the link to see your single-page application live. For further refinements, return to the Firebase console to configure other settings as needed. Now your SPA is successfully hosted and accessible to users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.